Hi gang, it's your girl Jack from Zola Don's Fresh Market. Today we in the kitchen. We're going to make some taco egg rolls. So in the bowl here, I got some white rice, jasmine rice I cooked. This is some turkey taco meat. This is some black beans and corn that I cooked up with some red, green, and orange bell pepper and also a little onion. I got some egg roll wrappers here. Got some queso fresco that I'm going to add to the bowl. And then I got some extra sharp grated cheddar cheese here. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to the bowl. Thanks for watching the video today. I hope y'all like the recipe. Comment down below. Let me know once you try it how you like it. Over here to the side also I got some egg wash. That's how we seal our egg rolls up. And here a glass dish. That's where I'll sit the egg rolls once we got them all wrapped up and prepared. So let me just start with a nice hump. That is queso fresco. Crumble it up in the bowl. Should give for a really cheesy egg roll mixture. A great alternative for your taco night. Also, it's March Madness season right now, so this is a great appetizer for March Madness season as well. That's a nice amount of cheese, y'all, but I like my stuff cheesy, so I'm going to go ahead and just grab some more. And that should be enough at this point. Alright. Once you got your queso crumbled, just go ahead. Get that mixture turned around. You can do this with a spoon as well, y'all, but I like to do it by hand. Just put some gloves on. And make sure when you start to wrap the egg rolls, you switch your gloves out. You don't want to use the same glove and mess up your egg roll wrappers. They are super fragile. Wish y'all can smell this. It smells wonderful. I like adding rice sometimes to my mixture. I do this as well, these egg rolls with chicken, y'all. And you don't have to add the rice. It's just a great filler for your egg rolls. And it's, you know, rice goes with Mexican night. So, great addition. You can do this, like I say, with or without the rice. You can switch up your protein. You don't have to use turkey. You can also use chicken, beef, whatever kind of protein that you like. So, got my mixture looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these gloves. Show y'all. That's what it's looking like in the bowl. Everything is all mixed up together. So, grab a couple more gloves, y'all. Fresh gloves on. Let me get this cheese put back in the refrigerator. So give me 1 moment to do that, and then we're going to start wrapping these egg rolls up. While I'm doing that, you can go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share the video, please. Anybody learning how to cook or just looking for something different to do for taco night. Go ahead and get our egg rolls out. I'm going to go ahead and grab 1. You can also grab 2 as well, y'all. I got a diamond, so I'm going to have 1 point facing me. Go ahead and grab some of that mixture. Kind of compact it in your hand a little bit. You want it across the center. Take that first diamond piece that's facing you, point it in. Take your right piece, point that in. Take your left side, point that in. Go ahead and grab a little egg wash, put it on the edge of your egg roll, and then give that a flip over. And voila, got an egg roll. And as y'all can see, the egg wash helps to keep it closed. So get that one over to the side. Go ahead, grab your next piece of egg roll wrapper. We're going to do the same thing. Grab some of that mixture. I just go ahead and press it in my hand a little before I lay it down. Take that corner facing you, point it in. Take your right corner, point it into the middle. Take your left side, point that into the middle. Get you some egg wash for your outer edge. Go ahead, give that a flip over so you got a good seal. And voila, got another egg roll. So I'm gonna do a couple more with y'all, show y'all the process, and then I'll come back once they're all done. So that's the mixture. Go ahead, compact in your hand a little bit. Drop it down. Got that point towards you. Point that one up first. Take your right side, point that in. Take your left side. Get that pointed in, y'all. Get some egg wash on your outer edge. And go ahead and let that egg roll right on over. And if this is your first time, don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. And then you'll become an old pro. But it's super simple, y'all, once y'all got the hang of it. I'm going to do one more and show you how it looks. Alright, so we got that point towards you. As long as you got your egg roll wrapper set up, you should be good to go. So, across the middle, mash that out like a mini baked potato. That point that's closest to you, point that in. Go ahead and take your right side, point that in, and back over to the left side. Do the same thing, point that in. Go ahead and get you some egg wash. And then roll it over. And as you're rolling over, I'm slightly pressing a little bit as I'm rolling over. And voila. So I'll be back once I got them all done, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm back. Wrapping up the last egg roll. Next side, fold it in. For this one, I actually used 2 of the wrappers, give it a little extra added crunch. And that's a little extra added security as well for newbies that are new to wrapping egg rolls. Get you a little extra added crunch, but it won't tear up your wrapper as easy. So there you go. Got one left over. We're going to toss that. I have no more mixture, y'all. Okay. So, show y'all. Here's how they look. All wrapped up. And You all, if you don't want to cook them all right now, you can also wrap these in parchment paper as well and get them over to the freezer. Just keep them separated in parchment paper before you put them in the freezer bag, just in case you're not ready to cook them or you just want them on reserve to grab you one quick and easy to throw in the skillet and fry up. So yeah, I'll be back on the next clip to show y'all how they look once they're all fried up and golden brown. Okay, gang, we back. So we can cook up the taco egg roll. Go ahead and get that in that hot grease. Trying to be careful to get them off the pan so I don't tear them up. While I'm getting these in the grease, y'all, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you always know when I post. Boom. So we got them all in the grease, y'all. Bowl, get this out of the way. Grease is hot. Go ahead and get those flipped over. Y'all can see they cook up pretty fast. They take no time at all. Just got to make sure you got hot grease. And get that flipped over. And as these are cooking up and browning, your cheese and everything is going to melt and come together on the inside. It's going to be so amazing. You can use some salsa or taco sauce, dip it in some queso or whatever you use to dress your tacos up. You can go ahead and get that same sauce and utilize with your taco egg roll. Today, these are our turkey taco egg rolls. So we got some ground turkey, some jasmine rice, some black beans, and some corn. And some sharp cheddar cheese. And then we put some Fresca queso also within. So those are almost done, guys. Gonna flip over on the other side one last time. Let that one keep going. Hope you all have enjoyed today's video of the turkey tacos. A little spin on Taco Tuesday, if you're having this for Taco Tuesday. Right now it's March Madness, so this is a great idea for March Madness. You don't even have to do whole egg rolls as well, y'all. Y'all can slice them in half. And like slice them diagonal. So add extra servings. And it gives a great presentation as well, you know. So we'll go ahead and get our skillet cut off, y'all. Grab our bowl here. Y'all can see those look amazing. Y'all see that? They look amazing. And get these out the grease. And I only cook a partial amount of what I wrapped up today. The other ones I wrapped in parchment paper, and I got those put in some freezer bags and put it in the freezer for safekeeping for later. So yeah, that's our turkey taco egg rolls, gang. Grab a knife here so I can cut one open so y'all can see what it's looking like on the inside. Okay. All right. So that's what it's looking like on the inside, gang. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay. It's still super hot, y'all. I'm gonna try some. I can see that. Let me come back a little bit. Y'all see that? Doesn't that look so good? Mm-hmm. Yes. That is good, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to try this recipe out. Mm-hmm. That's good, y'all. That's so good, y'all. It's your girl Jack from Zola Fresh Market. Today we cooked up some turkey taco egg rolls in the kitchen. Um, Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, like, hit that notification bell so you always know when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye.